There's a way to make passive income just with your videos. You don't need to edit it, you don't need to post it on social media, but you just need to post it on this one website. And I'm going to share it with all of you in this video. So if you're an editor, you already know about stock footage websites such as Storyblocks, Adobe Stock, Font5, or Pixels, whatever, yeah. So how these stock footage websites work is that people pay a monthly subscription fee and they can download unlimited footage from the websites. And then there are tons of these stock footage websites, and some stock footage websites doesn't have some videos that the other websites have. So there's not one stock footage website that has everything. And for you as someone who shoots videos, you can actually sign up right now on Storyblocks and then upload your footage. But then that's just for one website. So that's the thing. If you upload on one stock footage website and you want to upload on other stock footage websites, it will be very time consuming because in this website you first have to write out the title, you have to write keywords, the tags, so that your video is searchable on the stock footage website's search engine. But this website I just found is not like that. The website is called BlackBox. So actually I've been using BlackBox for over 3 years now. So how it works is that BlackBox is like a mediator between stock footage websites and you. So what happens is I upload a stock footage to BlackBox, and then BlackBox will upload the footage to 5 different stock footage websites. So imagine like your effort in making that one video is maximized a lot. The great thing about BlackBox is that they upload videos to those websites in one single account. It's called BlackBox Guild. So it's important because since you have other videographers, professionals with the sets and great cameras, they're uploading their footage to BlackBox, which they upload to one single account. So it means that you can easily rank up to the search engine of the stock footage websites. If you rank up, it means that your video is more searchable and then you can generate sales right away. But the question is, what should you use? Like, do you need a big budget camera to make stock footage, or can you just use your phone? It's very simple. You can use your phone. I've uploaded tons of iPhone footage and I actually made sales from them, maybe like $10 to $20. It doesn't matter. So the thing in video is that you should just have good lighting. If you're using your phone, make sure to use it outdoors when the sun is up so that your video will look very nice. And the thing is, people who use these stock footage websites, they cannot differentiate footage that are shot from big budget cameras and footage that are shot from iPhones because they're just the average person. But of course, if you're a videographer or a professional, of course you can see that this was shot on a phone. But most of the time, it doesn't matter as long as your composition is great, as long as your lighting is good. Even if you shoot with a phone, it should be fine. And the best part is that you can even upload 1080p footage. So they don't require you to upload 4K. I mean, if you upload 4K, there's more chances that you're gonna sell. But if you upload 1080p or HD footage, it's all perfectly fine. So just to share it with you all, I actually made $900 in BlackBox alone. So these videos that I uploaded before are made by 17-year-old me. It's not that great, it's not the best quality, but if you made a video that people are actually looking for, then they will buy it, especially if that topic or that genre of video is not yet covered by other stock footage contributors. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and keep creating.